Welcome back. You know, at home or when you're out on the road, emergencies, health emergencies in particular, can happen anywhere.
Yeah, it's pretty scary, and that's why Skip BEDELL joins us for 2 days of a survival series with life-saving products, all the things we need to know, especially for parents, right?
Yeah, guys, these are so important to have. Like, we have fire extinguishers for home. Yep. You should have an AED in every house. Take it with you in the car.
What's AED?
So this is the Heart Start Home AED. It's the automated external defibrillator. Okay. So very, very easy to use. Philip has been making the #1 selling defibrillator for 20 years now, and the reason why they're so great is that they're super easy to use, simple as 1, 2, 3. So even if you've had no training at all, guys, you simply open this up. The first thing you do is pull open this cartridge, and it shows you right on it. It's very simple. You just follow the instructions how to place this pad.
It shows you where to put the pad.
It shows you right there. Even if you've never used it, you simply press the button, and then you're going to hear an audible instruction. It's going to tell you what to do, and you simply follow the instructions. It'll tell you if it needs to give a shock or if it does not. So now, right now, it's analyzing the patient. It'll tell you if it needs a shock, if it does not. So it says no one to touch the patient. Analyzing.
That's actually
We're going to shock advise. We're going to hit the button. You're going to give a shock, and then it's going to tell you if you need to give CPR. Now, if you don't know CPR, it's going to walk you through the function.
My wife and I have one of those at our house,
yes.
And it's good to have. And in fact, we put it comes with a little sign. We put the sticker on the door of the room.
Yes,
that's on our laundry room door.
Yes.
This is just above our washer.
By the way, when Allison and I go in the RV and we go traveling, we have one. We take it with us. We put this sign outside so people in the campground know that we have one. They can come and get it.
Ainsley's going to buy one. I can tell she's got that look.
One, but what I love about this is if your father falls down and you don't know if he had a heart attack, this tells you whether or not
this will analyze them and tell them if they're actually having a heart attack or not.
So it's not going to pump them.
Of course, the #1 thing you should do always, guys, is call 911 first.
Yes.
Of course.
So,
okay.
All right, let's come on over here.
Right, so
wildfires have been in the news a lot.
Well, so I'm going to talk about contingency medical. So, guys, I want to tell you about this. First, contingency medical. This is a genius idea. You basically go online, you speak to their doctors. They set you up with a whole to-go kit with emergency antibiotics. So basically, every basic antibiotic that you could need. So if you're away traveling, you're in a remote area, you're camping, or let's say the supply chain is down and you cannot get medicines, all of the antibiotics that you would need for most infections are going to be in here. So
how do you figure out which pill you take?
So right here, it has instructions on every single thing that's inside of that kit. And by design, this is custom. This is custom designed for you. So if you notice, this has my name on it, and these are all things that are made from the discussion I had with their physician.
Okay, so there's a consultation. They figure out, okay, you're going to go here. This is a problem. Maybe you should take those.
Correct. And then they send you this right from their pharmacy, and you take this with you on your trips. So this is genius. If you go online right now, promo code SKIP, you get $10 off this kit.
That's contingency
medical. And by the way, guys, this is something you want to take with you at all times. You never know when you're going to need medications. And lastly, guys, I'm going to show you the partial safety. This is a full-face respirator. We saw everything happening with the wildfires right now. Way better than having an N95 mask. This will protect your eyes with impact-resistant lens. It has full view. You keep this in the car. You take it with you everywhere. But this is a CBRN, meaning it's going to cover chemical, biological, radiological, even nuclear. And if there's a wildfire, any sort of particulate in the air, it's not only going to protect your breathing, it's going to protect your vision as well, because if you can't see, you can't evacuate, right? So super, super important piece of gear.
Great advice. If you'd like more information, go to skipbedell.com. Skip, thank you very much.
They make them for children, too.
Absolutely. Full sizes for kids as well.
All right, it is 7 o'clock here in New York City. It's 75 degrees. Ainsley, what happens next?
The second hour of Fox and Friends
Starts now.